What's good, everybody? It's your boy today. I'm back with another video. This is episode 4 of backtesting my US30 trading strategy to see if I can find $1,000 maybe by the end of September. Anyways, let's get into the video. I'm looking at January 2025 of US30, and just looking at this, I want to see something that is interesting. I want to see some closing aboves and stuff like that. I'm just gonna show you what I mean when I get it. For now, I'm not seeing it, so let's click replay. I want to see how some daily closures look like. Seems like we're gonna have bullish bias with that. Nope. Okay, we close this day bearish. Still not quite interesting to me as yet, so let's keep watching. My focus will be the daily time frames. And then from there I frame my bias for the day. Yeah, good. I love how, okay, number one, we have got, let me take this here. You've got a close. I can mark this, or I can mark it over here. So we've got price pushing all the way down and then did not close back inside the range, but now this candle has closed back inside the range. My target will be this high for the day, and that will be the target for the day. So I want to see if I can have market structure shifts bullish on the lower time frames. Price has been pushing up, and I don't see very important swing highs that price has taken out so far, so we might still be bearish, but I will look for buy setups. Let's skip to New York session. Okay, this is New York session now. What time is it? Okay, we have got price pushing all the way up. It seems like we are already closing to taking out the high that I anticipated that price should go to. I'm gonna mark this bullish order block order here over here, and then let's use the lower time frame, and then let's watch the hourly. Okay, we took out that high. Oh, I think I delayed. Okay, I can rewind this time around. I can rewind, you guys. Okay, we can play out that. Oh, I need to mark the time. Yeah, 3. So now I can go to lower time frames. Remember the bullish order block I'm marking is this one, and my target is this high over here. So let's come to 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute, price is quite clear. I love this protected swing low over here and how price pushed above, and we have got a clear market structure shift bullish by closure above this high. That's a market structure shift bullish over there. So I want to see price protect that low, maybe entry over there, protect this low here. Price should not go all the way there. and I want a 1 to 2. That'll be a 1 to 2, something like that. And let's see the lower time frames. Yeah, that'll be it. So I'm going to do not a quick placement. I'm just gonna risk 10, and then we see how it goes. Let's do like this. 1 minute, and let's do replay. Hey, how did I push this to be so fast? Okay, we still have our buy side intact over there. It's not yet taken out. We took it out. Eyeball. That's not what I'm looking for. What's happening? Why do I overpress this thing? Okay, almost tapped in, but I love the fact that price came all the way back down. I don't know why I keep tapping into areas without me wanting to. I think I should put my position over there, place it, and then let's watch how price plays out from that to that. That's a 1 to 2 over there. We are tapped into the trade. Okay, I don't like the 1 minute. Okay, I want us to look at the 5 minute time frame. I mean, this is the 15 minutes, I'm sorry. So we still have relatively equal highs over here. Like for example, I see this. Okay, why am I not able to push anything? I want to see price actually come all the way up to this high here eventually. I don't know why I'm unable to adjust my TP, but it's fine. We're gonna watch what price does from wherever it is right now. TP is hit, but that was fast. TP is hit. That was a 1 to 2. I can see we still have a beautiful market structure shift. That was trade number 1. We still have a beautiful market structure shift, and we still have potential buy side liquidities above us. So we might be in another push to the upside. So I can quickly place another entry. Maybe let's do a quick one. Okay, let's do a quick one right there. Stop at this low. TP still go there. But I want to see how it is for real. There we go. Let's see if we can get tapped in. We are not in. Didn't get tapped in, but this is a proper one. And that was a proper one, you guys. So with a buy there and a stop here, a TP over there, that's still a 1 to 2. That would have been nice, but we'll hold on. I want to see what time it is now at this point. Now it's too late. Okay, I'm in the trade, but it's already too late. This is not my trading time, so it's outside my work hours. It's outside my work hours, so even if I get stopped out, I think this one, it should not count as a trade at all because it's outside my trading hours. Now let's cut it. Yeah, I'm out. So the trade that was within my trading hours was this one. This trade over here. Wait. The trade that was within my trading hours, if I unwind, is this one. This was the trade that was within my trading hours. And it was exactly according to what I wanted to see price do. Buy there, stop at this low here, TP 1 to 2, and that was it. Beautiful. So this is what it's within the right time frames, and also the right price action within the right time frames. So that's quite beautiful. Let me see another one. Let's delete all these and see if we can have another price delivery that is good. So remember, I was waiting for price to close bullish like this, and then the next day anticipating bullishness as well. So now this looks like the area that we are targeting, but I'm gonna let price play out and see how this day closes. I want to see how this day closes. Okay, we closed a bit very bearish. In cases like this, I might change my bias to wanna see price come and take out these lows, or eventually this one over here, but I'll mark this one. I might change my bias to want to see price do that. Let's see the lower time frames. There's a nice swing high over here. This swing high on the 4-hour time frame. I wanna see if we've got any market structure shift bearish, and we have one over here. I think let's see. Yeah, we have a market structure shift bearish over here. You can see how price closed below this, and then we've got a fair value gap over here that I think price will want to go back to before we continue to push down to take out the sell side liquidities. So let's watch that. Anyways, let me just go to New York session. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see in New York. Let's go to lower time frames. Now I want to see market structure shift bearish on the lower time frames like this. Nice push into that hourly fair value gap. Nice one. I'm not sure if we are going to reverse from there. Let me mark the 303. Oh well, it's already past my trading hours by this time. Way past my trading hours. I think the setup would have been this one maybe. This was at 4 at 3:30. Yeah, bullish move into the fair value gap on the hourly, which is nice, but it's not my take because I'm still quite bearish in my anticipation. Let's see how it goes, whether we push any down. But it's already way past my trading hours, so usually I wouldn't do anything after these hours. Nice push below this area here. That can be considered a market structure shift bearish, but the 15-minute does not say so. The 15-minute just says we are still bullish, so I'm gonna let this day slide and let's see the next day. Ooh, Nice. Look at how you ended up closing the day. Wow. Wow. That was gorgeous. What time was this? 5. 5. This was beautiful. But this one candle down like this, it's crazy. It's wild, bro. Wild. I guess that will be one of those trades that you won't be part of because of their nature. Let's see. The close of this candle looks pretty good. Let's say if we close bearish like that, then the next day I would anticipate price to continue to the downside if this day closes bearish. Yeah, so I'm anticipating that we come to take out these lows, but first we want to see price push up a bit. I want to see market structure shift bearish. Nice beautiful sell side liquidities here, here, and here. So prices already started showing signs of wanting to go down and stuff. You can see we've got market structure shift bearish. All these are market structure shifts bearish and stuff. So I'm quite bearish for the day. Let me mark the 3 o'clock right there, and let's jump to New York. Okay, there is New York session. It's not yet the 3 o'clock one, but let's go to M15. I would love to see price push back up, at least give me a premium price for me to sell from. Nice push. Nice push. Here is market structure shift bearish over here, and return into fair value gap over here, and rejected off of that area. 1 minute time frame. I don't think 1 minute will matter. I can sell this the moment it's past 3. Okay, it's not yet 3:30. I want the 3:30 move. That's more like it than all the other moves. I can literally start selling there, but 3:30 might push in and then jump all the way up here first. So I don't want to be a victim of that. You see what I mean? There we go. That's 3:30 for you. Jumped in, came in, so we tapped into that fair value gap, and I think I can sell it. Let's say the 1 minute. Yeah, I can use 1 minute now. I want to see if we close below this area. Nice, I can sell there where we are. Target, my stop should be at this high. My target really should be these lows down here, but I'm gonna use that one. That's proper right there. And let's do quick placement, and let's watch price from a better time frame. 5 minute. We are in the trade. Okay, we are out. Almost out. Almost got taken out. I think we will be out of this trade, but let's watch it. Woohoo! that self-talk is something else, bro. Like, I want to see where I would have best put the stop. Because this is a good one. This is a good one. I almost got taken out of the trade. I want to see the swing high that I should have kept my stop at. Yeah, that was proper stop area. That's proper. Let's see if we can hit TP. We took out the first low, the first and second lows. Let's take our stop in. Let's take our stop into break even. These lows ought to be out, honestly. Now I'm supposed to be out of the trade anytime from now. Let's hit TP. No! What? Let's hit TP, bro. That's what I'm talking about. What? Okay, I'm supposed to be out of the trade. This is not going right. I was supposed to be out of the trade by, what time is it? The moment price took out this lows right there, 6, this is 6. Now I was supposed to be out of the trade way before this whole thing started pushing back up. And this thing of me saying this doesn't count, it counts. Because being vigilant means right now, when I knew I was supposed to be out of the trade, the moment we took out this low over here, I was supposed to be out of the trade. So, yeah. Yeah, now I'm out of the trade by stop loss hit. But this was not supposed to be. So, things to note. Once TP is hit, once price is hit, because this was a random placement of a stop loss, the proper stop loss to be put was at this low. The moment price take out this low from where we were, that's TP. So I got hit on TP, and then I waited for price to go to a random area that I had put my stop loss. So I need to work on my TP placement. You don't place a TP on a random place in the charts. You place it at a proper area. You place it at a proper swing low or swing high. You place it at an area of liquidity. So this trade hit TP according to liquidity, but I had placed it on a random area, and that's why I got price eventually went all the way back up and took me out. So these were two trades that were very beautiful. Both of them hit TP according to liquidity, but I had placed my stops very wide and I did not take TP. I got hit on stop losses. Another reason is because I think I'm finding it difficult to do partials in my trades, but I think there's an option where you can put your stop loss in profit after it's already in. Like the moment price pushed all the way back down back down here, I could have already taken my stop and put it at this high and then put it at this high. And then when price pushed all the way back up here, I would have been stopped out and yet in profit. That was proper. But anyways, that's episode 4 of backtesting my US30 trading strategy and seeing how it goes. I really love it. I think it's good. I think this trading strategy is beautiful. See you guys in the next video.